Wow! 100! Yes!
100 people.
It sounds like a small number to some people, right? But to me, to us, it feels huge.
It really does. You know, when we started this, just sitting here talking, I didn't think about numbers. I thought about connection.
Exactly. Imagine a room, Bob. A small room with 100 chairs. And in every chair, there is a real person.
A person with a story. A person who is maybe a little bit afraid to speak.
But they are here. You are here. If you are listening right now, thank you. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for being one of the first people to believe in this safe place.
You know, looking at the world today, looking at 2026, English isn't just a school subject anymore. It's not extra.
No, it's not. It's life.
It's access. It's freedom. It's opening a door and walking through it.
And that's why we are here. Not to make you perfect. We don't care about perfect. We care about you having options. We want you to feel capable.
So if you're learning English and you want it to feel less stressful and maybe a little bit more like hanging out with friends, stay with us.
So, Bob, 100 subscribers. That means 100 people are listening to our voices right now. Does that make you nervous?
To be honest, actually, yeah, a little bit.
Really? But you're the calm one.
I know, but it's natural, right? Everyone feels nervous when people are listening. And, you know, I make mistakes too, even today.
Oh, come on. Give us an example. The listeners need to know you aren't a robot.
Okay. So, yesterday, I was at the store, and the cashier gave me my receipt. And I wanted to say, "Have a good day." But I was also thinking, no, it's nighttime.
Oh, no.
So I said, "Have a good night day."
Have a good night day?
Yes, have a good night day. It made no sense. I felt my face turn red. I just walked away quickly.
See? Listening friends, did you hear that? Have a good night day. Even Bob gets confused.
That's the thing. We think everyone is judging us. But actually, most people just want to connect. They don't care if your grammar is messy.
Exactly. When you make a mistake, when you say on Monday instead of in Monday. Oh, wait, see? I just confused myself.
It happens.
It's on Monday, right?
It is. But if you said in Monday, I would still understand you. And that is the point.
Right. Don't let the fear of a mistake stop the connection. Night day is better than silence.
Yeah, anything is better than silence.
I want to talk about something deeper for a minute.
Go ahead.
Why do we do this? Why do you, listening right now, try so hard? English is difficult. It's exhausting sometimes.
It is.
I think it's about identity. Who you are.
Can I share a story about that?
Please.
A few years ago, I traveled to a country where I didn't speak the language. I remember I went to buy a train ticket. Just a simple ticket.
That panic.
Yeah. I stood in line, and I rehearsed the sentence in my head over and over. One ticket to the city. One ticket to the city.
I know that feeling.
And when I got to the window, the woman looked at me. She looked tired, and I just froze. My mind went blank, totally empty.
Oh, Bob.
I felt so small, like a child. I'm a grown man, but in that moment, without language, I felt powerless.
That is powerful. I think a lot of our listeners feel that. They are smart. They are professionals, doctors, engineers, parents. But in English, they feel small.
Exactly. And that is why we are here, to tell you you are not small. You are brave.
Yes, you are doing something very hard. You are building a bridge between who you are in your language and who you want to be in English.
It's okay to hesitate. It's okay to need a moment.
If you are listening and you have ever felt small while speaking English, take a deep breath right now. Let it go. You are safe here.
And hey, if this story feels familiar to you, if you've had that blank mind moment, hit the like button. Not for us, but to show other learners that they are not alone. It helps people find this safe space.
Bob, I loved how you described that story. You used some really natural expressions. I want to look at them again, just so our friends can catch them.
Sure, which ones?
You said, "My mind went blank."
Haha, yes, to go blank.
It's such a good phrase. It means emptiness. Nothing is there.
Exactly. It's like a computer screen turning off. You have the words, you studied them, but suddenly, poof, gone. Your mind goes blank.
It happens to everyone. Another one I liked. Earlier you said, "to be honest."
I use that a lot, don't I?
You do, but it's great. It signals to the listener, I am telling you the truth now. I am being vulnerable.
Yeah, it's a filler phrase, but it's meaningful. To be honest, I was scared. Or, to be honest, English is hard.
It gives you a second to think, too.
True. And one more thing I mentioned. I felt my face turn red.
The universal sign of embarrassment.
Yeah, when you feel hot in your face because you made a mistake. If that happens to you, just smile.
Smile and breathe.
Actually, that's a good strategy. If your mind goes blank and your face turns red, just say, "To be honest, I forgot the word."
I love that. It's honest. It's human. Bob, before we go, I want to do something.
What's that?
I want to talk to the listener's future self.
I like that.
Close your eyes for a second. If you're driving, please don't close your eyes. But imagine, 1 year from now.
Think about yourself in 2027.
Imagine yourself in a conversation. Maybe at a cafe. Maybe on a Zoom call.
You are speaking, you are making mistakes, but you don't stop. You don't feel small.
You feel free. You are. You are yourself.
That version of you is real. It's waiting for you.
And we are going to walk with you to get there. Every episode, every week.
Step by step. You're doing better than you think.
Thank you for being one of our first 100. We love this community.
If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. And in the comments, tell us, what is one situation where you want to feel more confident? At work, traveling, or just making friends?
We read every comment. We really do.
See you next time, friends.
Bye!